Hey lads, TechScanning here. So recently Oppo introduced its first clamshell, the Oppo Find N2 Flip, with a bigger and more useful cover display than the famous Galaxy Z Flip4. And to be honest, Oppo's first attempt was quite well. And now it's Vivo's turn, which is rumored to be prepping the launch of its first flip phone, most likely to be called as Vivo X Flip. The Vivo's flip phone has gone through the rumors a couple of times in the past. This time, the information came right from the reliable leaker Digital Chat Station, who not only shared the specs of the Vivo X Flip but also its render. So looking at the render, it looks no different than the earlier leaked sketch, while the circular rear camera module on its back giving us the reminiscent of the recently launched Vivo X90 series design language. According to the tipster, the Vivo X Flip will have a 6.8 inches 120Hz foldable display, slightly bigger than the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip4's 6.7 inches display panel. Earlier, an alleged sketch shows that the Vivo X Flip has a 1080 pixels wide screen that is similar to most other flip phones. However, things are noticeably different when it comes to the cover display, where Vivo X Flip is expected to sport a bigger and more square display instead of rectangular. And I think it will be great for usability purposes. The Vivo X Flip will be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 like the Galaxy Z Flip 4 and Find N2 Flip. Though it's not the most powerful Android chipset, but surely we can say a premium quality processor with flagship performance that we saw on many flagships last year. For the memory, we are expecting one of the variants to sport a decent 12GB of RAM. Now speaking of the camera sensors, just like Samsung and Oppo's flip phone, the Vivo X Flip will hold two camera sensors above the cover display. A main 50MP Sony IMX866 and an ultra-wide 12MP Sony IMX663 alongside the Zeiss branding. Of course, there will be another sensor on the foldable display, however currently its resolution is unknown. The Vivo X Flip is tipped to have a large 4400 mAh of battery capacity, which is actually one of the biggest battery sizes on a flip phone. Further, the handset is expected to sport a 44-watt fast charging speed. The Vivo X Flip launch event is anticipated to take place next month, so possibly company will release some teasers in the coming days. Of course, I will keep you updated on all of the Vivo's first ever flip phone updates, so be sure to subscribe and hit the bell button. And I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care.